Last two questions I'm going to deal with, and then we're going to be taking our break. The one question over here is, how can I effectively market and promote my fine art photography? That's from Sel. Sel, this is a question all on its own. And if there's enough interest on this, I'd happily do the same presentation for a group on this. There was a few people who asked this question about marketing their photography and promoting their photography and approaching galleries. It's not for this evening, so we'll get back. I'll try to do that with an audience if there's enough interest in it. But the question I found very interesting, probably the most interesting of everything this evening, is from Hank. And Hank says, how do I go about developing my own unique style in fine art photography? Samantha had to laugh because I said to her, well, geez, if I had the answer to that, I'd be there already. I think it's a difficult question to answer, Hank, but I'm going to give you some advice based on the walk that I've already had. So, Hank, think of this as your to-do list. So think of this as your to-do list. So here we go. This is what I would suggest you do if you are keen on getting into fine art photography and you want to develop a style and you want to take it further.